So in this Canva tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to add music here in Canva. So first thing you have to do is open up your design whatever you want. It doesn't matter if it's a MP4, a video, or if it's just a PowerPoint, or if it's a picture. It doesn't really matter. It's going to be turning this into a video no matter how you do it. So right now I have a photo, just made it a little bit larger of a hippo. Now if I want to add music to this photo, pretty simple. Just go to where it says apps on the left hand side of the screen at the bottom. I then want you to go to where it says more from Canva, and I want you to press on audio right here. So once you press on audio, you're going to be open up to a new tab, I guess, where you can choose from selected songs if you want to search it. If I just want to search happy songs, I can search up happy, and there you go. You can search up whatever you want. Once you find a sound or song that you want to use, or some music that you want to use, I'll just go on the ukulele song. I'll press on that. It adds to the photo, and then if I press play, I'm not sure if you could hear that, but it was playing in the background. If you want to delete it, not a big deal. Just go to where it says ukulele song right here, press on it, and then just press delete. And now the music is gone from your design. So that is how you can add music here in Canva. I hope this video helped.